What's the meaning of bastard? Bastard. Bastard.
Bastard. Bastard. The term bastard has several meanings, and its usage can differ depending on the context. Historically, it was used to refer to a person born out of wedlock, with no legitimate claim to their father's name or inheritance. The term can also be used as an insult to describe someone who is considered unpleasant, despicable or mean. Additionally, it can be used as an intensifier to emphasize a negative adjective, such as calling someone a lazy bastard. In modern times, there has been a shift towards using more inclusive language, and the term bastard is now widely considered offensive and derogatory.